This tutorial will walk you through how to activate Creditfixrr AI and gain access to powerful AI dispute letters, violation detection, AI action plans, summaries, and much more. Click the AI Plans icon to access all available AI plans to review or manage your subscription options. Select the AI Plans button to learn more about the Creditfixrr AI features. Here you can read about our latest AI agent features. To return to the AI plans, click the Purchase Token button. Choose your preferred AI package. Agree to the service and privacy policy to proceed with your purchase. Confirm your purchase to activate the AI add-on and unlock additional AI capabilities. Select Yes to finalize and confirm the selected package purchase. Perfect! You now have an active AI plan. You can access and review your AI history by selecting the AI History button. Curious about your current AI token balance? You can view your balance here. Great work! Your Creditfixrr AI features are now unlocked. You can start generating AI dispute letters, detecting violations, CFPB complaints, and AI action plans, and much more.